fall, the grass turns green. Butterflies dance a lovely scene. All seasons, one by one, each so special, full of fun. Winter, spring, summer, fall, we love them all. Summer's hot, the sun shines bright. Beach and ice cream feel so right. Splish and splash, the water's cool. Long fun days and no more school. Autumn comes with golden leaves, crisp cool air and dancing breeze. Pumpkins, apples, colors bright. Jumping leaves, it's pure delight. Winter brings the chilly snow. Snowmen stand and cold winds blow. Cozy fire, scarf so tight. Twinkling stars shine big and bright. Winter, spring, summer, fall, so much magic in them all. Round and round they come and go, changing scenes with rain and snow.